Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking these out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and we will be checking this out right from here. This had been on downtrend for a while, but it came to an end when it got to this support zone, and you can see it played around there for a while. But since it's unable to break out below it, switched into an uptrend. But till it got to this region, had a major pullback, and of course went back up again. And earlier today, I told us that it's going to sell because of these double tops. Okay, so as you can see, it is selling right now. Okay, so I am actually expecting it to get to this region first. Okay, and of course, if it breaks out from here, then it should get here. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Still on 15-minute time frame, this is GainX 999. This actually got to the support zone at this region, and I told you that it switched back into an uptrend, and of course it has been buying since then. Okay, so each time it buys, it comes with a pullback and on this trend line, and it goes back up again. You can see it has gotten to the trend line again. If it breaks out below the trend line fully, then it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will go back on uptrend again and even buy more. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment on the pullback, but once it is done with it, then it will switch into an uptrend fully. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so selling at the moment, it might not take a long time, most especially if it's unable to break out below that support trend line. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. These have been on uptrend for a while, but got to this resistance or was unable to break out from there. So it switched into a downtrend and gave us a sell signal, and it has been selling since then. Okay, so first TP achieved, second TP achieved, third TP achieved, and the fourth TP has been achieved before having this switch happening around there due to this support region. Okay, so it has switched into an uptrend and it is buying at the moment. We don't know how far it will go, but I'm actually expecting it to get to this region first. Okay, and if it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will come back down and even sell more than that. But for now, it is still buying. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999. This actually started an uptrend at this point, okay? And of course, it's switched into an uptrend and it has been buying since then. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is FX volume 80. This has been on uptrend for a very long time, just the way we have seen it, but it has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out above it. So this is trying to go back on downtrend right now, just the way we have seen this. Okay, so this should be giving us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The only reason why it will not sell is if it goes back and break out above this resistance zone. That is when it will not sell. Okay, so this is very, very important, but for now it is still selling. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos. Practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.